Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing Hotel Levesque. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hotel Levesque offering great views of the St. Lawrence River. This Rivière-du-Loup hotel features a wellness center, spa and 2 on-site restaurant. Guests will also be 10 minutes drive from Pointe-de-Rivière-du-Loup. All guest rooms feature a seating area, flat-screen cable TV and iPod docking station. Hotel Levesque is equipped with meeting facilities. The indoor Nordic spa is available at Levesque Health Center at a surcharge. There is also an indoor pool and a gym. The elegant Le Griffe dining room serves classic Quebec cuisine. Guests can enjoy cocktails by the fireplace at Resto-Bar Terrasse Le 171 Cocktail Lounge. Parc Urbain du Campus-et-de-la-Cité site is 0.6 miles away. Guests will be 2.5 miles from the expansive greens of Club de Golf the Rivière-du-Loup. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.